my work phone. The work phone fits, baby girl. It fits, and we still got space. It fits. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV. And that's on what?
Period.
That's on period. If you're new to my channel, I do videos on style, vlogs, health, and my locks. I did this myself. It's really cute, really cute. But this video is going to be about Blackwood. I'm going to do an unboxing. This is my first time ever purchasing from his website. I did a pre-order and it was a lot. It was so much effort just to get the box, and part of it was my fault, part of it was their fault. Not him specifically, but like his team, his shipping team, his whatever you call it. But basically I ordered it on my birthday. My sister sent me money as a birthday gift to myself to order it on May 19th, or a couple days before. I pre-ordered it. I didn't get it until last week, and it's like today is August the 13th. So it took May, June, July, August, about 3 months for me to get my package. And it was just, we was in the boxing ring. I felt like we was gonna be in there.
You can't fight. See, come and box and sweatbox. I box and sweatbox. Come to the gym, let me fight you up. I'm not gonna fight you in public. I'll fight you in the gym. Like a man.
Like, we was gonna be in there, like Blackwood. If this thing ain't what I think it's gonna be, if it's not gonna be worth the struggle that I went through, I don't know if I'm gonna be purchasing again, because it just took so much effort. Maybe pre-ordering is not something that I should just be doing in general, because this is my second attempt to pre-order an item. Another item that I purchased pre-order was from a whole different company, and I still haven't received that yet either. So maybe I'm just not understanding what pre-order is about. Like, of course I know I'm not gonna get it as soon as I order it, but once it is shipped, like, it still took forever to get to me, because it even got lost. It got shipped to the wrong place. I told them where I was gonna be, because I moved to a different hotel. For those that you know, I do travel. If you don't know, I travel for my livelihood. And I told them, like, I'm gonna be moving soon. Here's my current address. I'll be here for about 2 weeks. And then they were like, okay, we're gonna get it processed, whatever. And then again, I moved. I was like, this is where I'm gonna be. It wasn't even shipped yet. This is where I'm gonna be. So they had plenty of time, because I stay at different hotels for at least 2 weeks to a month. So I made sure I updated them every time I was able to know where my next location was gonna be. But it's like they didn't email me back within, like, you know, the same week. Sometimes it would take them 2 weeks to email me back, or to even see my email to respond. So it was just a lot for me. Maybe no one else has had this experience, but for me, this was a lot. I don't think I'm gonna pre-order ever again, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox the purse that I bought, because I'm using my phone. My current camera is being sent to me. There was a manufacturing issue with my camera, my Sony ZV-1, so I'm waiting on that to get to me. In the meantime, I'm using my iPhone 11. This is how the box comes, just in a brown, this is how the purse comes in a brown box. Okay, I've had this box. It's been shipped to me for it shipped to me like, I think, a week ago, and I had it in my room, waiting to unbox it just for you guys. I haven't even opened it at all or seen the item. Hopefully it's the correct item, because then I'll have to go through a whole nother issue of me sending it back to them and make sure they get it right. Child. This is the second purse they shipped to me, because the first one got lost, like I said, and so they shipped me this second one for free. So that was really nice of them to do that, because it wasn't my fault why I didn't get it in the first place. But here is the box. This is a really nice box. This is Blackwood, New York. Of course, you know, it's based out of New York. For those who don't know, there's a barcode on the side of it. It's made in China, child. I'm gonna open it up. I didn't expect the purse to come in a box like this. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know. This is like I said, it's my first time. Ooh, okay. So the inside of the box has his name all over it. That's cool. That's cool. This is actually the font of what comes on the purse too. It says, oh, there's a card in here. I want everybody to get a card. So it says Blackwood, New York. It's a little bit dingy. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Can y'all see that? There's some like marks on it. Maybe, I think that's the design. That's the design of the bag, of the design of the card. So we're gonna slide it out. One needs some glasses. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new juice and something, and want to see how you style it. Juice? I don't know. Can y'all read it? Can you guys read it? That's what it says. That's cute. I think it says XOXO Brandon Blackwood. Thank you, boy. Okay. So this is how it looks. It comes in a dust bag. It's a dust bag. We have a duster. The duster says Brandon Blackwood on it, and it has drawstrings at the top. They're pretty thick drawstrings. It feels thicker than shoelaces. The round shoelace is a lot thicker. It's like that plastic piece at the end is what it feels like of the shoelace. The bag, dust bag. We're gonna open it up. We're opening it up. Oh, it's packaged in some paper. We're gonna tear that off. And let's see. This is too freaking cute. This is too cute.
Are you ready?
Wow. Wow. I wish I could get it in gold hardware, but they only had it in silver at the moment. I don't know if it's still in silver only on the website. But this is so freaking cute. Look at this. It has the name at the bottom, and it has the Brandon Blackwood New York going across the back. So everybody gonna know I'm wearing Brandon Blackwood. You gonna know. And it has little feet at the bottom of the purse, which I love that. Ooh, it's like little silicone. That's cute. I like that. I'm gonna keep that on there for a little bit. But I like how it has the little feet. I don't think I knew it had feet at the bottom of the bag. I'm so used to mini bags just being blank, like just fabric, the material of the bag. That's cute. This is so cute. It's like itty bitty. It's like a little itty bitty. Oh, I can wear it like this. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. This bag is super cute. All right. Take those off. And then we're gonna unzip it. Oh, it has plastic around the zipper, of course. Unzip it. And we got some stuffing in there we're gonna take out. Oh, the strap is in there, right at the top. It's in there. It's really in there. So cute. Oh yes, honey, we got space. We got space. We got space. We got space for the phone. Where my phone at? Oh, I'm using it to record. I'm gonna use my work phone. The work phone fits, baby girl. It fits, and we still got space. It fits. Ooh, and there's a pocket. There's a pocket in the inside. There's a pocket. I don't know if y'all can you see? It's kind of dark. There's a pocket in the inside, and there's another pocket. Nope. Oh, yep, there is. There's a zipper pocket. A zipper pocket on this side. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. And then we're gonna undo this. I hope this matches. I wanted it to match. Oh, it's gonna match the handle. Okay. I was assuming it was gonna be like the same fabric as the bag, like the jean material, but it matches the handle. So again, it has the silver instead of the gold hardware. And you can adjust the strap. You can adjust the strap. Certain bags you can't adjust the strap. I'm not gonna show any. We're not gonna throw any shade at that company. If you know, you know. Tour. I'm just mad. I'm just mad because I can't get a bag right now. It's always sold out. All his bags are sold out still to this day. It sells out within 5 minutes of you purchasing. 5 minutes of you getting on the website. Not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes if you're trying to put it in your bag and someone taking it out your cart. I've experienced that. Speaking from experience. But this is how it looks. That is cute. So I don't think I'm gonna wear it as a side bag. I don't know. Let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks on me. So if I wanted to wear it like this is how I could wear it. That's super cute, super cute. I could wear it like this on my wrist. That's cute too. And then I could move this to where it's all the way down. See how that fits. Crossbody. Oh yes, we have a crossbody moment. I prefer this buckle to be in the back, so I would put it to the back when I wear it out. But this is super cute. I love this. This is a really easy get up and go bag. I think it's so cute. I love it. Definitely worth the wait, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely worth 3 months I waited. And then going back and forth with his team. But that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Shout out to all the Black businesses. And this one specifically, Brandon Blackwood. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I would get more, but it's just so difficult. I don't know if I have it in me. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.